So I'll load my R first. Okay, so my R has been loaded. So I'll clear the screen first. Okay. We are now going to install the packages. I will install them one by one. We will start with the gg+2. So I will say install.packages, and then I'll give the package name. It should be in quotes. So gg+2. That is the first package. That is what we are going to use for the plotting. So let's install that. Okay, let's select an R CRAN repository. So I'll use 81 for example. So let's wait for the installation to proceed. Okay, so the package has been installed. Let's install the second one. The second one is ggrepair. So I'll say install.packages. This one is ggrepair. Yes, so we are installing this package. So let's install it. Okay, this package has also been installed. Let's install the last one. And that is dplyr. So I'll say install.packages. And then I will specify it and then I will install. Okay, that package has also been installed. So we are ready to go. So now we are going to quit R and then go to the RStudio itself.